Are you a business owner sending hundreds and thousands of messages or emails via campaign or social media platform like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, etc. to your cold leads? And what if they reply? Do these replies or the follow-ups contain a proper meeting link? Yes, I mean the meeting link grabbing their name, email, and requirement. If not, you are failing in this digital world. I would like to recommend a system where you capture all these details in a meeting link and you share this information. I mean, store this information in a CRM like Google Sheet or Monday.com or HubSpot. So this is a wonderful automation system. I'm going to explain you in 5 minutes so that once you implement, you are going to make your system more productive and efficient to close at least 30 to 60 percentage more of your leads. So are you excited? Let's go and watch out this in detail. Firstly, I wish to introduce you to a platform known as Calendly. So Calendly is a easy scheduling meeting platform and so much powerful and automated. It can eliminate back and forth emails to find perfect time and we can grab the meeting information. I will just demonstrate our Calendly link and how it works. This is our Calendly link which is sent to different emails or messages. So I'm just copying this and opening in browser. Here it goes. You can see here the different dates and its availability, what time we are available. So once we fix a call, let's go with this call. This has an information about our process, website, and it can collect name, email, industry, and some questions, what kind of automation we need. Since we are in the field of automation, we collect information like whether it's business process automation or lead management, Google Suite automation, desktop application, etc. And here you can see we collect the phone number and similarly the requirement in few words. See, all these are optional. We can customize the form however we want. I will take you through a demo on the Calendly platform. So let's go here. If we go to my account section, once we sign up, you can see that there are different event types. So we ourselves create multiple event types. So we have discovery call which is of 15 minutes. So the slots will be of 15 minutes and we have live implementation of 1 hour and 30 minutes. So we have a different meeting link for the same. So all these are interconnected for the slots parallelly. Now, so we can just go and click a new event type to create the event, and once the event is created, if we go and click edit, we can see different settings. Here you can see the settings for event details. Say we can put our event name, duration, and the description which is shown in the meeting. So the description which we have here, and then if we go back, the host and the invite options, invitee, and scheduling settings like on what days we are available and what are the available hours. We can customize it even based on the public holidays and the questionnaire. And this is one of the awesome option we have where we can input different questionnaires, drop downs, so that we can grab the lead information effectively to our system. Even say how did they come to know about us, like to understand the source of the lead, etc. And the real magic is now when these information are carried to our system, say the system can be Google Sheet, Monday.com or HubSpot or any other CRM system via automation. So we have built an excellent automation workflow using the platform Make. If you are new to Make, sign up using the link below in description where you can get 1 month pro plan for free with 10,000 operation. Yeah. So here you can see whenever the event happens in Calendly. So this is a watch event module. Whenever a meeting is booked by a customer, it checks initially whether the customer is already available in the system or not by listing the board items, or it can be listing the rows in case of a Google Sheet where we store the lead information. Then accordingly, if the lead is not available in the system, we go and create the item. The item here is customer, and then we create a deal. So it can be done in GHL, HubSpot as I mentioned, as per their entity names. Once the customer is created, we go and create a deal in the deal tracker. Finally, when the deal is available here, we can manage them properly and effectively using our CRM platform. In our case, we are using Monday.com. So you can see this is our deal tracker, and as I mentioned, you can use the platform you desire. But the entire point of this discussion is, are we managing our leads effectively through this kind of meeting platform integrated with CRM? That is the entire focus. So here in deal tracker, we have multiple groups like active deals, assigned, delivered, closed one, and deal lost. So whatever the meeting happens, it goes to active deals. So we have the active deal system where we put the deal name, stage, similarly the next action. So we have the actions categorized to follow up as 1, as 2, as 3, assigned to developer. So once the deal is confirmed, we input as assigned to developer, and we have the email, name, all the information stored automatically from the Calendly booking in here. So you can see the requirement stored here. Update a flow in make that always stopping, and you can see that we analyze the requirement, we put the deal value, and finally once the deal is confirmed, we assign to a developer and click on assign button, so that this will go to a different board. That means board talking each other automatically, and the engineers will develop. As a system, the best part is we have created multiple automations using the native automations provided by Monday.com to do automatic follow-up. Say we are in follow-up ash 1, and we have the deal length and deal creation time. So we have deal creation date and the meeting details as well as the last updated time. So suppose we have updated the stage 2 days or 3 days back and there is no update further, so the last update information is also very old. That means this deal is untouched. So here we trigger an automated email to do the follow-up. Sounds good? So with the help of these automated follow-ups, we don't have to put an engineer or an admin team to send them automatic emails where they consistently forget or fail to update the deal status. So this is a magical automated system. And also, if we have a meeting booked and they don't come for a meeting, we have an automated email system. See here. So whenever the meeting participant did not attend the meeting, we have an email saying that, oh, I trust this message finds you well. We recently received notification of cancellation of your upcoming meeting. So suppose they cancel the meeting or they did not attend the meeting, we have different workflows to send them notification to reschedule the call. So instead of a salesperson sending manual emails, we can automate this entire platform so that effectively and efficiently we can track all the leads. So, and as I said, once they do all the follow-ups, as I said, if they convert and in the meeting, maybe we take one or two calls, we move them to assigned or we move them to deal lost. And see, if it is assigned, we complete the work. We even have a system where we send the automated invoice, and once the invoice is paid, we move the deal to the closed one group. And these systems definitely will be covering in upcoming videos, but the entire point is how we are managing our leads effectively and efficiently. And the interesting part is, say we have hundreds and thousands of deals which are lost, say because of XYZ reasons. Say they don't have the finance at this time or they are not interested at this moment. But what happens? What would be the result if we follow up with them after 3 months or 6 months? The results are going to be totally different, right? So we have these deals stored here which are lost, and we have all their information stored here so that we can follow up with them automatically, and whenever they send a response, we can see their response and the sales team can act accordingly. Sounds interesting? So we have workflows created in make.com, we have workflows created in monday.com as I show here. So this is a really cool system. I would recommend to each one of you to implement. Just 5 hours it takes. Yes, you heard it right. In 5 hours, we can set up the entire system, including the Calendly, Monday board or the CRM board with all this automation. So the result is you are going to manage your leads effectively and efficiently for the upcoming campaigns, and you are going to save thousands and thousands of dollars. Are you excited? Contact us.